To learn programming no hard. Now you just know if you find person wey go teach you for pidgin. If you wan learn programming now, first thing wey you go learn na wetin they call data types. Different programming language get different data types, but no programming language you no go get numbers, strings, boolean, and null. So wetin all of these ones mean? And why we guys even learn am in the first place? You no matter if you dey build website, AI, or even small calculator. Everything wey you will build with any programming language, you guys use numbers, strings, boolean, or any of these data types. So wetin that mean? E dey straightforward. Numbers na the numbers wey all of us learn for primary school. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Strings na just characters, words, and sentences. Different programming languages get the way wey they take the handle strings. But one thing wey dey common to all of them, na say you go see either one quote or double quote before and after the string. Now how you go take know say na strings with that. And boolean na just true or false. I will explain all of these data types better for my next video. So make sure say you follow this page now. Thank you for your attention to this matter.